Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many users encounter when working with the devices. The problem we're tackling today is the issue of it can be frustrating when you're trying to, but you're met with this unexpected obstacle. Whether you're a seasoned tech pro or just getting started, this problem can throw a wrench in your plans. Now, let's talk about the solution to this pesky issue. The key to overcoming lies in you can effectively troubleshoot and resolve this problem in no time. It's a straightforward solution that can make a world of difference in your user experience. In addition to that, another useful workaround this additional step can help ensure that you cover all your bases and prevent similar problems from arising in the future. Remember, a little proactive maintenance can go a long way in keeping your devices running smoothly. In summary, we've discussed the problem of, explored the solution of, and highlighted some additional steps you can take to address this issue. Hopefully, this information has been helpful to you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy troubleshooting.